Runway 05 left. Clear land 05 left, please.
Please to start display and will report completed. Right on 01.
Again, the one sorry. And Warhawk 1 is base gear stop, 5 left.
Gear 5 left stop. Clear to land, Warhawk.
Around the field, inbound initial. Slow side, no side. Training Air Force 8504. 504 break. If we heard about that from Denmark, we'll find out. Do you have any signals here that we have activated something? Which life vest it is? Or left base, 05 left, gear down for 2.
Answer for 741, 0 frequency. Right, well, initial 05 to land. 741, 0, leader, turning tunnel, gear left, full stop, 05 left.
10 Bravo behind gear down, full stop.
Slow lane to the south, right side, port gear force 51. Give a check for
Sitting 1,700 rougher. Confirm that's the two F-16s on the runway. So we're on the pitch now, we're downwind, full stop. Say again please, we're both established downwind now. Speed, Wilco, slow lane north, rougher. Stop. 7,000.
Let's start climbing high T. Charge 5 through 1, 1, Charge 5 through 1.
Level south,
Charge 5 through 1. 1 is base key, gear down, low approach, close full stop. Charge 5 through 1. 5 through 1, turning final, gear down to land.
That was Air Force. 121 Alpha is downwind for a gear up low approach. Departure over left to Sanicole. That was Air Force 121 Alpha. The gear will be staying up for the low approach and clear low at 05. Force 121 Alpha climbing 2000 inbound Sanicole. One low approach and then a full stop. That was Air Force 121 Alpha. 2.2, I prefer 12553. Thanks, nice day.
Break. And get down, low approach, 05 left. Please,
20.
31 Fountain. 31 is visual with 1 file traffic, confirm the second position. 31, final 2 behind the IFR traffic, 5 miles. 31 turning final, gear down to land 05 left, visual with the IFR traffic.
This downwind after this visual pattern, request high key. 2 turning final, gear down, low approach, 05 left.
Break. Final 1 Tiger 34. Final gear down, touch and go, 05 left. 34, low approach, 05 left.
22, 10 seconds out. 1020, will go Tiger 32. 2 low key, standby gear. 32 will go. Base key, gear down, low approach, 05 left. 05 left, Tiger 32. Tiger 32.
Final gear down, touch and go, 05 left. 34, turn final gear down, low approach, 05 left. 4, turn final gear down to left, 05 left. Tiger 24, clear down, 05 left.
Falcon 50 is just off the shoot. Stop 5. 50.
From 12845, break.
Turning final, gear still up for low approach, gear up. 2000 feet and established. Solid good. Copy, do you have a squawk? By the hot airline again? 519. Hot airline, we have hot airlines.
Twice 012, turn final 05 left for the low pulse.
156, please. Alpha 85. Alpha 85, turning tunnel, gear left. 85, clear to land, 05 left.
095 is left base. 5 left, Netherlands Air Force, November 095.
Power Devil 2, confirm, do you have any idea on the duration of the runway inspection? If that's the case, I will not be Devil 2 as well. Devil 2 on. Go for Devil 2 on. 2 up. Power Devil 2, I'm turning final gear down, low approach, 05 left, 500 feet. Going around for close. Final 1, Devil 2 up. Final gear down, low approach, 05 left, 500 feet. Devil 2 on, going around, 500 feet, request close. 1. Low approach, 05 left. Devil 2 on. In front of T6, Devil 2 on. Turning final gear down, to land, 05 left.
Yeah, welcome. Confirm the effectors are waiting for us to clear the way. Maneuver, then 1 close each, and then a full stop at back. 31, braking. 31. Gear down, low approach, 05. Turning final, gear down, low approach, 05 left. Gear turning final, gear 21. Stijging support, confirm the position of vectors. The position of the vectors.